Hello kids, welcome to Kids World. Today we have brought for you a beautiful story. The Little Paper Boat. On a rainy afternoon, a young boy named Sam sat by the window, folding paper boats. The rain had created small streams along the street, and Sam decided to let his tiny boats float in the water. Sam carefully placed a boat in the stream and watched it sail. The boat wobbled at first but soon found its balance. As it glided down the stream, Sam imagined it embarking on a grand adventure. But then, a large twig blocked the boat's path. The boat bumped into it and began to tip over. Sam rushed to help, but before he could, a small gust of wind blew the twig aside, and the boat continued its journey. Watching this, Sam smiled. Even small boats can face big challenges, he thought, and they can still find their way. That night, Sam wrote in his journal. Today, my paper boat taught me a lesson. No matter how small or fragile we are, if we keep moving forward, obstacles will move aside. And from that day, Sam never gave up, no matter how tough life seemed. Moral: even the smallest effort can overcome the biggest challenges if we keep moving forward. Water wave. So kids, how did you like this story? Let us know your thoughts and share your feedback with us. We will be back soon with another story. Until then, keep laughing, keep smiling. Subscribe and share our channel so that every child can try to incorporate the lesson learned from this story. Thank you.